of rainforests is that they supply much of the Earth's oxygen. They absorb carbon dioxide produced by man-made activities, and they supply oxygen on which all humans and animals survive. They also contain millions of species of exotic plants and animals. Rainforest supplies many things essential for the survival of human beings and other living things. For example, natural medicine. They stabilize the world's climate, oxygen production, and maintain the water cycle.
Tropical rainforests are very rainy, so water is not a limiting factor in this ecosystem unless too many of the organisms. Rainfall doesn't necessarily translate to as much productivity by plants as might be imagined, and that's because tropical rainforests tend to be very limited. Almost every little bit of the nutrient that plants need in rainforests, such as nitrogen and phosphorus, are tied up in the plants themselves. Available sunlight is also a major abiotic use for primary production in the tropical rainforest, because while there is a lot of energy directed at the equator, a very little of it reaches the rainforest floor. Temperature in tropical rainforests is a very high year-round. Organisms tend not to be limited by high temperatures, except in the extreme, such as in hot springs, thermal vents inside a volcano, etc. So temperature as an abiotic factor in productivity in tropical rainforests is generally a positive.
What is the pattern of temperature and precipitation for that body? The tropical rainforest has an average of 125 to 660 centimeters of rainfalls every year. Rainforests belong to the tropical wet climate group. The temperature in a rainforest rarely gets higher than 34 degrees Celsius or drops below 20 degrees Celsius. Average humidity in rainforests are between 77 and 88%.
Tropical rainforests are biomes with great biodiversity. In here, you can find plants such as bromeliads, epiphytes, which are plants that grow in trees, Amazon water lilies, kavok trees, and rubber trees. You can also find animals such as snakes like anaconda and cobras, jaguars, lemurs, leopards, gorillas, toucans, macaws, and insects such as ladybugs, beetles, and yellow jackets. In our country, we can find this biome in places such as the south of San Luis Potosí, Veracruz, Yucatan, Guerrero, and Oaxaca.
Wet pollutions are involved in this biome. Forests around the world are affected by air and water pollution, producing from industrial and commercial activities. Rainforests are seriously degraded by air pollution.
Endangered species in the rainforest. Destruction of our environment is the biggest contribution that we make to the extinction of many species in the rainforest. It is estimated that approximately half the number of the world's animals live in the rainforest. The golden lion tamarin monkey. The golden lion tamarin monkeys are squirrel-sized monkeys with long, silky, reddish-brown fur that live in the lowland rainforest of the Atlantic coast of Brazil. They eat fruit, flowers,